Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the basics so audio tweaks work correctly. Pair the XM4 to your primary device and open the Sony Headphones Connect app. Grant mic and storage access so profiles save. In the app, set adaptive sound control off and switch the connection priority to sound quality when streaming high bitrate files. Once done, choose the correct EQ preset close to your target tone. This reduces large corrections later and gives you a reliable baseline to refine. Now you dive into tonal shaping and noise control. Open the EQ and apply a gentle cut around 250 to 500 Hz to remove boxiness, then boost lower bass between 60 and 120 Hz for punch without muddiness. Turn on DC Extreme to restore high-frequency detail for compressed tracks. Adjust ANC. Use full noise cancellation in loud places, and switch to ambient sound if you need situational awareness. Make small changes, listen, and iterate until mids and bass sit naturally together. Finish by verifying across sources and fixing common issues. Play reference tracks that highlight vocals, acoustic detail, heavy bass, and wide dynamics. This ensures your settings translate across music. For the best fidelity, use the supplied wired cable and a high-quality source. Wired mode bypasses Bluetooth limits. If you notice dropouts, odd EQ behavior, or latency, reset the XM4 by holding power and the NC button for 7 seconds. Then repair. That usually clears firmware glitches and profile corruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.